Le brioche à tête. This is the granita. Smooth, has to be smooth.
Hi and welcome to
Vincenzos plate.
Yeah, here at Pari Pasticceria with Chef Paolo Gatto. Today we're going to show you how to make granita with brioche, the real Sicilian deal. Chef Paolo Gatto is a proud Sicilian chef. He's here in Sydney and he's one of the most respected chefs, Italian chefs here in Sydney, and he's the owner of Sud and Pari Pasticceria, this wonderful pasticceria, and he brings the real taste of Sicily to the Australian people. Thank you, Paolo.
Thanks for the acknowledgement. Thank you, Vincenzo. Grazie. Today we do the granita and brioche, which for us is a daily thing. It's a breakfast, lunch, after lunch, early dinner, after dinner in summer in Sicily. So we
for any time of the day.
Yeah, it's a daily thing. It's a daily and night thing. So even after midnight, after you had a beautiful dinner, what you're having for dessert, maybe a granita with fruity flavors.
Yes.
Because in the morning we try to get coffee, granita, to wake up. Or that's one of the things that we are really proud, because how we're making granita in Sicily, probably we are the only one in Italy that we make special granita. Even though there is in Sicily two different cultures, or two different schools of granita. Quella messinese, the one from Messina, and the one from Catania. Catania tendentially makes the granita a little bit smoothy and more softer, and lightly going to the direction of sorbet.
Right, okay.
Instead, Messina does a little bit more liquid, a little bit more juicy, and sometimes a little bit more runny.
So the challenge is on. Who makes it better? We'll see.
This is my pastry chef, and which is the heart of Pari. So we're making the brioche with the half kilo Manitoba flour. We got 30 grams of natural craft ingredient yeast already mixed in the flour. We got 200 grams of custard sugar, white custard sugar. We have 200 grams of butter unsalted. We have 3 eggs, whole eggs, free range preferably.
So Paolo, why do you put 1 egg at a time?
Because I want to see if the farina in the case needs extra eggs or might leave half eggs behind. So usually we put 3. 400 grams of milk, full milk, and pinch of salt. It's not like this, it's like this.
Chef, if I don't find Manitoba,
can
I use plain flour?
Maybe it's 0.
Yeah.
Una farina 0 or 0.
Too hard, but?
You risk it to have the brioche a little bit heavy, you know, the heaviness in the brioche. After the process of mixing the dough in the bowl of the mixer, we have the timing of rest. The rest in Vasca, so it stays probably 20 minutes, an hour or more, depends on the temperature outside. And then you can see this is the results. And then slowly we put in the bench. We give another mix. We'll make this beautiful dough, and then we'll rest a little bit more there for another 5-10 minutes. As you can see, it's a long process to make this brioche, to make right. Questo è quello che ti spiegavo. So we make it 1 small brioche, 120 gram, 100 gram, depends. And then we make a quarter, a little tête, 25 grams. I'm making I'm tying up the dough and just closing the dough. I just try to shape the round shape the best as possible, as you can see. And then we close underneath, make sure that the dough it's closed, and then it can start to raise up. The trays with baking paper is the trays that we're going to use to bake. So less we touch the brioche, better it is, because otherwise you risk to break that foaming, that raising. You just massage.
You like your bowls?
I love my bowls. I'm making the little tête, the tuppo, the up part, which is going to be placed once it's going to be placed on top of the brioche. Once the process of yeasting is complete. I'm just pressing the middle of the dough, and I place on top of the tuppo, the chignon. The most important thing is the brioche has to be daily baked 3 times a day: morning, breakfast, lunch for afternoon, and early dinner for the dinner service. Otherwise, the brioche loses texture. It's got only a couple hours life shells, probably 4 or 5 hours. Now we give another 20 minutes, half an hour rest. When the race like this, you can see inside full of hair.
Yeah.
You can tell it's like a little
Nice and
balloon.
soft.
Huh?
Yes, yes.
Then after that, we lacquer it with eggs and la mettiamo in forno. We put in the oven.
Oh, what degrees?
170 degrees for 20 minutes, roughly.
Paolo, now we have to make the granita.
The king,
I love
Vincenzo's plate.
I just love it.
Please subscribe. How to make the Sicilian authentic granita siciliana. Gift from a god, which is water. 4 liters of water. Okay, we have 1.3 caster sugar. We have a lemon zest, which is probably from 1 lemon, and make sure the lemon doesn't have wax. The one from the backyard will be organic from the backyard, or the organic lemons. We have 700 ml or 700 gram of squashed lemon juice, fresh squashed lemon juice. At home you can use the machine for fruit flavor will be indicated, and ideally you can do that. For the coffee granita will be a little bit of issue because this machine helps with the movement inside of what we call a butterfly. So you can tell inside there is this one. It's what makes the cafe granita. That's the magic moment.
Oh, Paolo!
This is the granita. Smooth, has to be smooth. Wow.
Wow. Is it nice?
Yummy. It's the best.
Lemon granita.
And then now we get it with the spoon, with the ladle.
Yeah.
We mix like this.
Oh, granita.
Wow, look at that.
Straight from the machine. Oh my
Hey,
god.
better way. I'll give you a better way. Come
Sicily
here.
in Sydney.
Better way.
Oh yeah, look. Ha! A handful of
No,
granita.
that's the way. What do you think?
Mamma mia.
Let's see. You don't need,
Catania here in Sydney. Simple.
if you don't want lemon because you think lemon is too acidic, you can use some fruits. In Australia, we use mango. We use stone fruit, peach, or nectarine. So we use strawberries, which is very popular. So, and the sugar contains, you have to drop a little bit of the original recipe of the lemon. So you might go down 10-15% as your flavor, and you can play a lot with the natural fruit. So after 25 minutes being in the oven, we're ready to put them out and to smell the fragrance and the freshness. And to be honest, this is the perfect brioche.
Oh, beautiful.
I can't wait for the time that you can try this brioche and tell me your opinion. But we're very proud of what we're doing in Pari Pasticceria at the moment.
Oh, I can't wait, Paolo.
Too.
Well-deserved granita.
You let me work so much,
Vieni.
but now it's time to relax.
Yeah. That's what Italian food is all
Okay,
about.
this one for Vincenzo, la caffè e panna.
Sì. Beautiful.
E la mia è cioccolato, mandorla e panna. Grazie Iris.
Ah, I like yours. So next time I have it. Next time.
E la brioche.
You know? So Paolo, let's enjoy this. I don't like to use the spoon. I like to use my own fingers.
Okay, you're ripped.
Yes.
You go down, but in the corner, not in the middle, in the corner, because all the juice comes from the corner. But first of all, I like to do this. So I do this, I taste it, I make a little hole, and then,
Oh my God. Guys, what are you waiting for? Come to see Paolo Gatto here at Pari in Concord, in Sydney.
I love it.
That's most important in Sydney. And enjoy Sicily in a glass.
E ora,
si mangia.
Vincenzo's plate.
With Paolo Gatto. Thank you guys.
I would say every great man behind there is a great woman. My theory is every great granita there is a great brioche behind or next to by it.